Inverter in a solar plant is called the heart of the system. Being the heart of the system, it is a very important component. We all know that solar power panels produce DC electricity. The kind of equipments which we are using in our offices, commercial places or in our homes are run at AC electricity. Equipments like air conditioning, computers, printers, TV, washing machine, etc. They require AC electricity for their operation. Therefore, we need to convert the DC output of the solar panels into the AC output. It is done by the inverters. So we can see that all the raw power produced by the DC panels is getting converted into usable AC power through the inverters only. That is why inverter is called the heart of the system. Based on the application, inverters are of two types. Type 1 is on-grid inverters and type 2 is off-grid inverters. As the name refers, on-grid inverters are used for the on-grid solar plants, whereas off-grid inverters are used for the off-grid solar plants. We did see the on-grid and off-grid solar plants in the previous segment. Inverters to be used in solar plants are generally IP65 so that they can provide good ingress protection whenever they are required to put outdoors. Inverters involve advanced electronic circuitry IGBT. This advanced circuitry offers high efficiency and lesser maintenance. For the proper working of the inverter, it is important to have the proper earthing connection also. Smaller capacity inverters are available in single phase supply. These smaller capacity inverters are majorly used in the residential segment. Larger capacity inverters are available in three-phase supply. Mostly the inverters are mounted on the wall or sometimes they are mounted on the solar structure itself. You can see the both types of installation in this image. It is important to provide the canopy for the structure also. This would be an additional protection for the inverter. Approximate dimension for the inverters are like 5 kW single phase inverter has length of 450 mm, width of 470 mm and depth of 200 mm. If we talk about 20 kW three phase system, it has the dimension of 600 mm as length, 700 mm as width and 250 mm as depth. This was about the inverters. I hope this segment brought clarity. Thank you so much for watching this. I see you in the next segment.